He's off, folks. There he goes. Woo! Whoa, good morning, everyone. This is Darren. Darren, what's up? Say what's up to everyone.
What's up, everyone? We are in Roseville, California.
Roseville, where are we going today?
We're going to be going to Cars and Coffee in Dorado, California.
What are you bringing out here?
Taking the C10 here. This is my 1973 Chevy C10.
So why this ride, dog?
During COVID, we're on lockdown at the house. A friend of mine had this truck for some time sitting in his yard. It was going to be a project that he was going to get to one day. And I had always, every time I went by there, I'd always, jam him up, be like, hey, let me get that truck. I want that truck. And he was like, nah, I'm not going to sell it, Well, COVID came, and as with many folks, his work slowed down a lot. And he called me up, asked me if I wanted the truck. Hell yeah, I want the truck. And that's where the story began. I bought it in 2020.
There we go. Here we go, folks. It is smooth.
Yeah.
It floats.
Yeah,
folks, it floats.
This right here is the AccuAir controller for my E-level air ride system. So this is how we make the truck go up and down. Right here.
Hey, you guys can't see it too much, but I feel that shit. Hey, it feels nice, man. Like it felt like pillows going up your butt. I did, dude. That was nice. The time is 6:30, and if you have a C10, you gotta get donuts in the morning.
For sure. It's always routine on the way over there. You grab a little bit of donuts.
That's pretty funny.
They sit out here every weekend.
They're like, this guy again.
They're like, he ruined that.
Oh man, it was quiet.
Just to help the utilities out.
Look at everyone. This is. I'm gonna walk around real quick while we get going.
Cars and Coffee here, El Dorado Hills.
Do you have airbags?
I did. I got a 49 Chevy pickup as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, all ready to go.
Ready to go?
I gotta go work though. Oh man.
Where do you work, sir? Where do you work?
Myself.
Oh, good for you. You have a good day, man. Let's go. All right, folks, emergency water.
It's kryptonite.
Oh, we got the airbags. So you have to lift up?
Nah, I don't know what's the right answer here, but I just don't want water down the side of the truck, so I'm gonna go slow. Whoa.
So you don't drive this in the rain?
No, I could drive it in the rain, but I just spent 2.5 hours washing it last night.
Oh, so this is all about looks. It's not about the mechanics of it.
No.
You're in floss mode.
Yeah. That's kryptonite right there.
Oh! All right, we're close, folks. We spotted what year is that, you think?
64.
64, and you know that by?
Well, I know what it is, but the license plate frame also says.
Oh yeah, there it is, folks. I thought he was.
I am an auditor. I do pay attention. It's an SS too. It's a nice car.
Yeah.
Original owner?
You think so? Or you know him?
Nah, I'm just playing.
He does have a great beard.
Yeah. Hey.
So do you, though.
Hey, the truck's still older than me.
Go, let's get a better look at this baby. I think it's nice. Sick. Very nice, sir. Very nice. That's it. He just smelled the gas because we got bikes right there. We got the cars in here.
Does he got a castle in the mirror? Ask him when he graduated.
I see 40. Oh. These bikes are going slow for some reason. Oh, you go. He says oh, here we we go, folks. A little drive into the spot. Check in. Hungry. I want my donut. All right, here you go. What time is it? It's 7:09. The people out here, dang, they must have been here about 5, 6 at least. Here we go, folks. Little dogs. Turnout. Everyone comes out early because it's actually going to be like 104 here in Sac. There's another C10 right there. Whoa, we just lifted up, folks. What kind of truck is that?
That's a bully. That's a C30 right there. That's a bad man pajama. You're gonna go over there? Yeah. So we gotta go find some dually friendly parking. So that's the boy David right there.
We're going amongst ourselves.
Yeah. He can't fit in here in the front.
Look at that. Look at that thing. That thing's long. Folks. Oh, the park next to Ferrari, huh? Nice. That's a little. What's this right here? Coffee, folks. I'm there. Dude, hey, this thing. That's a nice. Dude, hey, it took that turn pretty impressive, bro. That was nice.
Hey, it's
the more.
It's a driver.
Dude, the more I sit in this, the more I'm impressed. And kind of want one.
All right, can you see that curb back there?
It's gone. Right there, dude. I don't want to risk it. Yo, you gave me way too much responsibility. I was kind of nervous. Just listen to it, everyone. It's still going.
So electric fans.
It's nice, dude. Time to pop it. Whoa. You holding out, dog. You're just holding out on us. You can just feel it. You know, it's hot, but not like crazy hot. And we were driving for a long time, and it's hot.
Got air conditioner on and everything.
This is... Look at that. Let's get it. It's so clean. How do you keep it so clean?
Just wipe it down. I mean, it's a driver. Like you see it, we drive it almost every single day. So it's hard to keep it super clean, but try to keep up on it.
It looks clean.
So it's an original big block truck, short bed, big block 454. Had turbo 400 stock, also a Posi 12 bolt rear end. We've upgraded now. The transmission is a 700R4, so I have overdrive. 700R4 transmission. Truck's a 1973. So when we were, in order to get the truck to go this low, if you look on the side here, so we sit it down on the pinch weld, right? As low as we can go without cutting the pinch weld. And as a result, we had to move everything. The motor got moved forward and up so that it wasn't hitting the ground first, right? And so because of that, I couldn't run the stock fan essentially that was there. So we upgraded to the CVF front drive kit. Went with the Griffin radiator with the dual fans, Sanderson headers, of course, Edelbrock intake, polycarb, Willwood. It has Willwood brakes on it. Upgraded the braking. Custom made steering.
Whoa.
So you see the steering shaft, all those joints.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's dope. That's sick.
So the
brake lines, huh?
Yeah, those are brake lines, handmade brake lines to fit in here around the tubs.
That's sick. Shout out to that company.
Yeah.
That's sick.
So the front end, to get it this low, to keep the wheels straight up. So when we were building this, my goal was to be able to drive it as low as possible. I didn't want to have to raise the front when I'm turning or anything like that. So it has a chopping block drop member on the front, which is replaces the cross member. It has aftermarket control arms, which brings the wheels in. If you notice, the front wheels look like they're sucked in a little bit, and that allows them to turn so they don't hit the fenders when they're riding really low.
Oh, okay. I know. I see what you're talking about.
And so with the chopping block drop member, it comes with a Mustang 2 rack and pinion. So now it has rack and pinion, power steering, drives like a new car. So with the truck being a big block truck, I just kind of had this like muscle truck feel kind of theme that I wanted to stick with. So we ended up going with these replica rally wheels. They're from Detroit Steel Wheel. They're their Del Rey's, 22 inches. Again, the truck is a low option truck, no trim or anything, so I didn't want to put the beauty rings. Didn't put beauty rings on it. No trim on the side. When we were painting it, we did want to like clean it up just a little bit, just subtly. So as you come around the truck, you'll see that on the bed rail caps there used to be holes here that have been shaved. There used to be a body line right here that comes around here that's been shaved. Obviously, did have the fuel used to fill the fuel through the side of the bed. So there was a fuel cap here that's been shaved. So now we do the fuel through the bed here.
This is nice.
Yeah, that's where you open that up. Yeah, no. So with it being the way we did the frame and everything, we wanted to go as low as we could. So
Dan, look at that.
Pinch weld on the ground. You can see a little damage there, a little collateral damage. I have this bad habit of wanting to ride it as low as possible at all times. So, it happens. I mean, that was the goal, was to be able to drive it as low as possible. Yeah. So growing up in the '90s, obviously, big stereo was a thing for us. So I knew that this truck was going to have a stereo system. 2 8-inch mids, 2 tweeters in each door. There's another speaker in the middle of the dash. There's a couple of 6x9s in the back.
Oh, let's take a look.
So we got the 12-inch JL shallows, 6x9s in each corner.
That's nice. And it sounded clean. You were bumping earlier. That it was nice.
Yeah, no, it's a good. You hear your songs, no matter what it is. It might be rock music, might be country, might be rap, whatever it is. You play it, it sounds good.
Now, growing up with bass as you did, was there any problem with the rattle?
No. So when the truck was taken apart, of course, we end up using kill mat. The whole truck is dynamatted.
Really?
Yeah. So we thought about that, plan for that.
Nice. What about this rug and the seats right here?
Yeah, so I didn't want to get too far away from the original styling. I mean, I wanted the truck to be bagged, of course, big wheels, but I wanted to, pay homage to the original styling. So with everything, the seat I had reupholstered, but I wanted to, just use original styling and used upgraded equipment. Upgraded materials. As far as dash, just buy these from different online manufacturers. The original colors, it's a saddle tan, and for some reason saddle tan, depending on what you buy, is a different color. So if you look closely, everything is like a different color, but it's all saddle tan.
I'm wondering if that's because of the material that it's on.
Yeah,
and they'll change it.
But you can even see like on the OG pictures of these trucks when they come from the dealer.
The same deal.
Yeah, the dash and the door panels are different colors, but it'll all be called the same.
But it matches.
Yeah.
It matches.
One thing that I did that was important to me is these body lines here. If you look under here, or on the front where this is bead roll.
You mean this right here, man?
Yeah, this and then that design right there. So normally.
Oh, this right here.
Yeah.
Like the.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
So you can kind of see there. It seemed to.
Why was keeping this important for you?
Well, just especially on the back, you can tell a lot on the one up here in the front. So that body line. Sometimes you see people just cut that and it'll end in the bottom of the bed. I didn't want that. I wanted to be able to see it. So what we did is we cut it in the middle, sectioned it, and brought the bottom up to the top.
Look at that. Yep.
The bumper itself has been sucked in. Basically, normally it would stick out a little bit further. It allows the truck to go down lower.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's low as you can go, dude.
Of course, that back bumper probably takes the most damage. When you're backing into parking spots, every once in a while you hit a thing or two. It's a remanufacturer. You can see the chrome's peeling off of it, things like that. So,
oh, okay.
It'll get.
So you're not tripping off it too much.
Yeah, because you just replace it. They're cheap enough that grab another one.
All right, so we're on the driver's side now, and then Darren, break us down about this section of the car.
Yeah, no, so it's a Forever Sharp steering wheel, just their 14-inch steering wheel. Again, stock gauges. It does have vintage air, so the vintage air controls there, the retro sound stereo.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
I'll let you know when I go wood cutting.
Yeah, it'll still. So all the airbags are the DOT approved. They're out of same as you would see on a diesel truck in the back. Those airbags. That's what I have. Just one on each corner.
Right.
So it's I wouldn't want to damage the paint and stuff, but as far as functionality wise, it would still do anything. I'll pull a trailer with this, and it could do it. Yeah.
What's your favorite part about this truck?
The whole thing.
The whole shebang, the whole package.
Yeah, the whole package.
I like it.
If
I must agree.
If I was 10 years younger, I'd be doing the same thing.
You're never too old, man. Yeah. That's my ride.